welcome back to another video. So I've got some really cool things today from Modelones. Modelones has sent me this Polygel kit. It's I'll stick a picture up on the screen. It's Halloween Polygel kit, but it's sunlight sensitive thermal. So I don't know if it's thermal to your body temperature or if it's just sunlight that changes the colour of it. But I'm gonna give them a quick swatch. I'm gonna do a Polygel set today using these. So I am just gonna give them a quick swatch on some kitchen paper, and just get straight into the design. So there's 5 colours and they are numbered 1 to 5. Got the numbers on the top there. And these look like good fun, don't they? Right, so the kit comes with as well some really cute stickers. So we've got monotone Halloween. So it's all black and white. I like these checkered pumpkins, they're cool. And we've got ghosts, happy Halloween, trick or treat, boo. Yeah, they're cool. I like these eyeballs. They're cool as well. So yeah, it comes with those stickers. It comes with your cleanser plus. I think this is like, you can remove the tacky layer with it, and I think it doubles up as a slip solution as well. But we will try it. I do prefer alcohol, but we'll try it. And it comes with your brush and picker tool, spatula thingy on that end, and your brush on this end. I'm not going to use the brush because I've got loads of brushes already open, so there's no point starting another one. So let's give these Polygels a quick swatch. I have got a glow-in-the-dark dip powder kit as well. I think I'm going to do my own nails with this in a couple of days. So I'm going to leave that out for today and we'll have a look at that next time. So let's get these swatched quickly. Like I said, I'm just going to do it on some kitchen paper because I'm going to go straight in with the design with these today. So number 1. Right, so just let me bring you down just a little bit. So number 1 is pink. So yeah, I'm wondering if these are thermal to your body heat or if they'll change colour in the lamp. But we shall see in a minute. Right, number 2. Right, so this one looks like a milky kind of white. You see? Like a grey kind of white, that, isn't it? Unique colour. Right, number 3. So let's see what number 3 is. Oh, this is a pink as well. Oh, I'm loving that it's got pinks. Right, number 4. Number 4. Oh, that's another white as well. I think this is light sensitive. I'm not sure. Right, number 5. Right, this is number 5. It's very cold today. So if it's thermal, then this must be then when they're cold. Right, so that's like a greeny, bluey kind of colour. Right, I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 60 seconds and see what happens. Oh my god, guys, yeah, these are light sensitive. Right, look, straight out the lamp. How vibrant is that? How vibrant. Look at that deep purple. And then, can you see them slowly changing colour? Oh, look at this blood orangey red. This is so cool. Look at them changing colour. I haven't got anything like that. Wow. Wow. Let's stick them back in again. Watch them change. They change instantly. Look. Instant. How quick does that change? Oh, I love these. Right, I'm going to get my practice hand out and we're going to do something with these. I'm not sure what, because I'm going to have to remember what the colours are before and after, and it's got to work both ways. But I love these. Right, what can we do? Quickly before I go, guys, I've just opened the stickers and there's 2 lots. Oh, how cool are these? Because these are going to match the colours that they are when they come out the lamp. Let me show you quickly. Look, they match them flowers in the corner and the skull. Ooh, I like these. Right, let's get on with it. Right, so I'm going to start with number 001. I've already base coated these tips to save a little bit of time. So on this middle finger, this is like a pink when it's indoors, not in the daylight. So I'm just going to do a bit of an extended nail bed on this middle finger. So again, I get it as close to the cuticle as I can. Try not to let the product touch your cuticle. I did push it a little bit into the cuticle there actually, and I had to get it out. So yeah, try not to let the product touch your cuticle. I get it nice and neat at the cuticle, and then I'll just pat it and pull it and keep swiping it in at the sides to try and get it into a little bit of a point, and then I'll just round it off at the end. Like with Polygel, you can just faff about, play about until you've got it exactly how you get it, how you want it. I do faff about a lot with my nail beds because I'm a fussy bugger. But the neater you can get it now, the easier it makes it when it comes to filing. So it's well worth faffing. And then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds once I'm happy with it. So you will see this Polygel keep changing colour as I'm putting them in and out the lamp, because it's light sensitive. The minute them UV rays hit the Polygel, it just changes colour. It's amazing, so much fun, I love it. Right, so this pointer finger and the pinky, I am just going to do a fade. So just like I did with the extended nail bed, that middle finger, except I'm going to just drag it down the nail and fade it. When I'm fading Polygel down like this, I tend to have my brush a bit dry. It just helps fade it out a little bit better when the brush is a bit dry. I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky as well. I think I do the pinky off camera because it's exactly the same. And then they're going to get cured in the lamp for 60 seconds as well. Right, so I'm going to use 002 on this middle finger. I have filed and neatened up that nail bed off camera. So I'm just going to fill the rest of this nail now. This is like a milky white, but it looks a bit grey indoors. It's so bizarre, this Polygel. I love it. I haven't got anything like it. I've not seen anything like it. I love it. Yeah, so don't worry about getting the Polygel over the nail bed, because again, I'm going to file it in a minute. So just completely cover the free edge of that nail, and that's going to get cured for 60 seconds. Right, so I'm using 004 now. I'm going to go back to the pointer finger, and again I'm going to fill the bottom of this nail and fade it up. Just like I did with the pink, fading it down, I'm going to fade this one up the nail. It was quite hard to fade actually because I couldn't really see the blend, but it turned out alright. And we're going to be covering these nails, these fades, with bits of glitter and stickers later on in the video anyway. So yeah, just fade it up, and again that's going to get cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky, except I'm going to use a different colour on the pinky. Right, now onto the ring finger. What I'm going to do on this ring finger, I'm literally just going to put a splodge of all 5 colours, all 5 Polygels, just random splodges everywhere, and just hope for the best and see how it turns out. And again, once I'm happy with that, that's going to get cured for 60 seconds. I'm going to give the nails a quick file and a quick buff off camera as well, because I didn't want the video getting too long. Right guys, so that's them filed and buffed. I've pulled out a couple of glitters to use. These are both from HTS Nail Art Supplies. This is Purple Rain. Small hexes and a fine, and it's got some black in there. Super holographic. Look at this one, Adam's Family. I love it. It's like green, orange, metallic. It's got black. It's really, really nice glitter for Halloween. So I'm just going to do one finger at a time. I'm just giving the nail a thin, nice even thin coat of the base coat. And I've not cured that base coat. I'm going to put the glitter straight into the wet base coat. I didn't want to cover up the colours underneath. So I'm just doing a mixture of both glitters. Just a little sprinkle over the bottom end of that nail. On this ring finger, again, I'm just going to do a swoosh. Kind of starting in the top left hand corner. And then just a kind of swoosh. And I don't put too many of these big hexes on. I think I just put one or two of each colour. A green, an orange, a purple, and then I'll just use my brush to tidy it up a bit, just to make it look like more of a swoosh. I didn't want it to look like a sprinkle like the little finger does. I wanted it to look like a swoosh. What is even a swoosh? We all say I'm just going to do a swoosh. What is a swoosh? Right, I've skipped the pointer finger because that's exactly the same as the pinky. And with this middle nail, because I did a nail bed, that extended nail bed, I didn't want to cover up any part of that nail bed. So I just kind of stuck to the right hand side of this nail and just did a little flick of glitter up the right hand side. And then I'm going to get them cured in the lamp for 30 seconds as well, so the glitter stays where it is. Right, now that glitter's cured into place, I'm just going to give them quickly a generous coat of top coat, because I'm going to be sticking some stickers on and I need the stickers on a smooth surface. So yeah, I'm just giving them a quick coat of top coat to encapsulate that glitter, and then we can get these stickers stuck on. So I'm going for these first ones, and yeah, I'm just going to stick one or two biggish stickers on each nail. Look at the size of these little sweets and lollies. I'm going to stick a couple of them on, just all random places. Again, not too many, because I wanted that colour of the polygel. I wanted you to be able to see it. So again, once I'm happy with all these stickers, I'm going to give them another coat of top coat, just so I can seal all them stickers in. And then I'm going to give them a quick buff off camera to get them nice and smooth. And then we can get them finished off. Right, so that's them stickers all sealed in. They've had a bit of a buff. This is a little bat charm that I got from Charlie's Nail Art. Charlie's Nail Art has got some beautiful little Halloween charms in this year. She's got some really cute little bits. I've got a discount code for Charlie's. It's always in my description box with the website if you want to go and check that out. So these are just having a final top coat, and I'm just going to put that little bat charm into the top coat on that middle finger, and then they're going to get cured for 30 seconds, and that'll be this set finished. Wait and see this set, guys. The colour changing on them is amazing. I was playing with them for ages. So much fun. There we go, guys. That is them finished. So that is the colour starting to fade. That's kind of what they would look like in the house, indoors, and then boom. Look at the colours. That's what they look like when the sun hits them, or if the sun is shining, the colour will change instantly. But in the UK today, it's really dull, really cloudy. It still changes colour because it's still UV light it just takes a couple of minutes. If it's a bit cloudy and overcast outside, yeah, it still changes, it just takes a couple of minutes. But if the sun's shining where you are, it is instant. I just think it's so cool and so much fun. I love them. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I'll leave the link to this Polygel kit in my description box. So much fun. You need this in your collection. But yeah, that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.